Hi, and welcome to 60-Second Tips. Today's topic is mobile video. So what do I mean when I say mobile video? Well, essentially, when you're recording something for a tutorial on a desktop, in order for that to be viewable on a mobile device, you have to be able to zoom in and emphasize those areas to which you're talking about while you're doing the video. Otherwise, it won't be viewable on a mobile device. For instance, let's say I want to zoom in on the right-hand side of the screen to show this mock-up. As you can see, it's a little bit clearer to see from the desktop, but from the mobile device, it'll be a lot clearer. So let's say we want to zoom out and zoom in over on the menu area. As you can see, now the menu area is much clearer and easier to read. And if you're looking at this from a mobile device, and we zoom back out here, you'll see that the left and right hand sides of the screen are actually not viewable on a mobile device. So when we say mobile ready, that's what we're talking about. Mobile videos are videos that are made so that they work on any device. Thanks. Hope you've enjoyed this.